Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of light colors, cool colors. As you know that summer is in its full breeze, and for summer, cool colors are always eye-catchy, attractive, and at the same time easy, breathable, and comfortable to wear. So with this collection of today's design, I will be sharing very beautiful light colors like white, off-white, beige, cream, and different tones of light color family with you. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And one more request guys, that if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can also subscribe from many other devices. So now let's move back towards our main concern and content, that is very beautiful and easy to make, beginner friendly embroidery patterns, hand embroidery patterns that are totally designed on light color fabrics. Guys, if you try and follow the exact color combination and patterns that and color combination of flowers and threads that is being used in the collection, then your dress will be designer alike. And by sitting at your home, you can create a designer wear of your own. So, if you are a beginner or you are an embroidery artist and you are in search of simple, easy, and beautiful, trendy and embroidery patterns, then friends, you are at the right platform. This video collection is absolutely for you. Guys, before moving into the further depth and details of our video, I have one more concern to you, that is the basic purpose of our channels, videos, and designs and ideas is only to share ideas with the community who loves embroidery, handwork, hand art, needlework. We don't have any intention to reclaim someone else's work as our own work. So this was the main thing. Now let's move back towards our concerns. Guys, for making these patterns look more formal and pretty, you can make them onto formal fabrics like you can make them onto light silk. Even you can embroider these patterns onto crinkle chiffon and organza for giving them a touch of light, simplicity, breathable and comfortability. You can make these very beautiful patterns onto organic cotton, onto lawn, linen, and different type of blended stuffs that are easily breathable and comfortable and wearable in the extreme hot and summery weathers. You can also use some sort of brighter tones as well to make your dress, to make your embroidery pattern look even beautiful and pretty. So I hope that you are liking the today design collection, the items that are being shown to you. And do leave a comment in the comment section that which design you like the most and why. And if you have tried to make any of the designs, then please do comment which design you tried to make and how was your experience. So on our channel, we try to share a very beautiful, wide, vast, and large content totally based on hand embroidery. Like you can also see amazing design ideas related to baby girl dresses, related to handmade, hand embroidered hair accessories, handmade, hand embroidered jewelry articles. And not only this, you can also get designer trendy ideas related to hand embroidery patterns onto hand knitted fabrics, to hand woven crochet fabrics, and many type of other creativity DIY items. So with this, allow me to leave and hope to see you soon back in my new upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned and keep watching us, keep loving us, keep supporting us. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow.